This is how to install and use Clam Antivirus in Debian 10. First step is to open the terminal. We're going to type sudo apt update. Then type sudo apt install ClamAV, then ClamAV -daemon. Y for yes. Okay, next type clam scan -- version, and we can see we've got version 101.4 installed. Okay, next type sudo clam scan -- infected -remove -recursive, and then the directory you want to scan or the file. I'm going to do my home folder /home/Joe. You can see I have 0 infected files in the scan summary. Okay, next, clam scan -- help, and you can see all of the options you got. There's a ton of these. Okay, next. Type sudo clam scan -- infected -- remove -recursive. And this will scan, well, with the slash, it will scan your entire system. But I'm not going to do that because it takes forever. Okay, next type sudo apt install ClamTK. This will install the Clam Antivirus GUI. Y for yes. Close out of that. Go up to Applications, scroll down to Accessories, and click ClamTK. Okay, in the main window, near the bottom, you've got your options to scan a file or scan a directory. At the bottom, it's saying an update is available, so click on Update Assistant. Check, I would like to update signatures myself, and then apply. Okay, go back, click on update, click OK on check for updates, and you can see it's downloading the updates, and the download is complete. So go back, and now you can start scanning. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.